I walk through velvet shadows in a crystal dress. Moonlight kisses every step like a soft caress. People turn their heads, but I don't slow down. I'm the kind of glow you only see after sundown. You're staring like you wanna read my fate, but I bloom at my own pace. If you wanna see the parts I follow gently, stay in stride. 'Cause I'm a midnight bloom, rising in the dark, silent but stunning, leaving my mark. If you're gonna reach for me, come with intent. I don't open up for just anyone's breath. Midnight bloom, loud, loud. Watch me unfold, then the stars align. Soft voice, but I carry thunder in my spine. I don't chase love, I let it cross my line.